Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Form 8949 exports from Koinly. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Form 8949 exports from Koinly, begin by logging into your Koinly account. Navigate to the Tax Reports section located in the main menu. Select the Create New Report option. Choose the year for which you want to generate the report. Ensure that all transactions have been accurately synced. Review your transaction history for any potential errors or missing information. Once confirmed, click on the Generate Report button. After the report is created, locate the option for Form 8949. Select Form 8949 from the list of available reports. You will be presented with different export options. Choose the preferred format for your export, such as PDF or CSV. Click on the Download button to save the report to your device. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Open the file to review the details of your Form 8949. If necessary, make any adjustments or notes for your tax preparer. Once satisfied, you are ready to file or share your Form 8949 as needed. This concludes the configuration of Form 8949 exports from Koinly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.